Hello and welcome back again to my channel, Susan Gold TV. How are you all doing? I hope fine. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you on how I made this hairstyle for my daughter. So I used just one Brazilian wool. So if you want to know how I style this beautiful hairstyle for my beautiful daughter, just watch this video till the end, and please don't fail to like, comment and share. Tell me what you think about this. All right, guys, let's get to it. All I need is just one Brazilian wool and shana jam. So, and yeah, this is all I need. So first I'm going to part the hair into two. After that, I also part a little from the side, which is both sides. So whatever I do to this side, it is the same thing I'm doing to the other side. So the little one I part aside. So I'm going to cornrow the hair. So it's going to be like 5, and the other side 4 strands, 4 lines. Sorry, 4 lines. Once, yeah, like make it once here, one here, then cut another one again, like part another one again, take this one that I'm making right now to that one, and this I'm going to do the other side. Guys, just see how I'm doing it. As I'm explaining it, also just be looking at the way I am doing it. So now I'm done with this, so I'll part that other side. I will also thread it, then I will leave it, then cut another part another one, then I will take this one to the other one. Just as I explained it, so this is the front one. I'm going to use the remaining wool I used to thread it to continue with that one, just like this. So when I'm done with this, just the way I'm doing it now, then I'll also part another one and do it the same way, just like that. Now that I'm done with this two pattern, so I'm going to continue now. Just start taking it, like I'm not going to cross it again. So what you do, when I finish threading one and the other one, I will use it also to cross it. So that is why you see this how do I call it, this round one, like the way it is like this. So it's because of the part I have thread before. So, and I use it to just like start it from the beginning. And when I put it, so this is the, I'm going to add two lines here. So when I use it to round it, like once, the remaining part I will hold it in my hand. So just like the way I'm doing it now, use it to round it. So I'll put the remaining part in my hand, then use the wool, take it down, just take it to the last part, use it to do it like once or twice, so to not be too tight, then before I finish it. So the way I'm making it now, that's how I'm going to continue. But this side, I'm just also going to add two lines to this. So when I hold it, I take the hair round it. So the part I made before I start using the wool to like just to pin the down. Don't worry, keep watching. You see the way I take it from the down. I think the second line at the end of the hair. So that you know how as in this particular style came up. If you watched it this time, means you are enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for your support. Please, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, do so and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So what we do here in this channel is all about hair, both kids and adult hair. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to like, comment and share. So to our returning subscriber, thank you so much for your endless support. We do appreciate your support. God bless you all, both our new and our old subscribers. So guys, I hope you understand the way I explain this hair and the way I'm making it. So like this, take it round, take it round again, then put it in your hand, then use the wool, take it under that hair that you took round to make it secure. So when you take it round once and second time, depends, it might be once, if it's not, so that I don't make it too tight. And when you make it first, we take the wool down, and the second one just start how do I say it, you start threading it, just like when you want to thread wool now, from like the way you take it down like that. So it's very easy you and this hairstyle, she is so comfortable in it, and she didn't complain. There are some style you make for kids, when they want to sleep they'll be complaining that they can't lay or it's paining them, but this one is not like that. It's just perfect. So this is how I finished the part. Yeah, I just put it in the other side, tied it, cut it out, and use lighter to just like seal the cotton. So guys, this is how we finish this hair. This is the end of the video. I hope you like this video, and I hope you you try this hairstyle if you've not tried it, and if you do, I hope you like it. So trust me guys, this hairstyle is so easy and it's so comfortable. So it's just 3 strands of wool I use from beginning till the end, so we don't need to use much. I didn't even finish one Brazilian wool. Like this hairstyle is really not consuming wool at all. So imagine I didn't finish one pack of the wool. All right guys, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.